Hi guys, Steph here. Now some of you have noticed that I've not actually done any videos, uploaded any videos for quite a while, pretty well for 2 months now, because the reason being I've been very busy with other commitments. One of them commitments is actually going to become my new hobby. So pens, pen restoration, I'm going to be stopping that, and I'm going to concentrate now on property developments. So it's just a quick video to tell you that, because I know some of you people are quite concerned if everything's okay. So yeah, what I'll actually do as well, because I've just finished my first property, I'm going to upload a video for you next week just so you can see what I've actually been doing. So thanks for your support, thanks for understanding, and as I say, yeah, it's a new road that I'm taking, so fingers crossed it'll be as enjoyable as the pens were for me before. So thanks for watching. Slava Ukraini, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.